Okay, let's get right into it, guys. Right here, and I have my video, so we'll have to go to sequence to put our format into TikTok dimensions. So here we go. Let's go to sequence up top right here, sequence settings. So right here it says 1280. I think it will be 1080 by 1920. So let's type that in right now. Okay, and once you're done with that, just press OK. And then don't worry about this pop up, just put OK. Now that we have the dimensions of the TikTok, we'll have to we have our video right here. Now we have to like scale our video up. So right here we'll go into hit the video and then we go into effects. We go into motions, and right here you just scale it up so it can fit into the sequence. And also you will have to position it wherever you want your subject to be. And then let's play it. Let's play it back. Perfect. Now, as for exporting it out, we'll go here, make sure we're on here, then we go to File, Export Media. All right, now right here, all it does is it's good to match the sequence, but also you can go here. You got to make sure that it's on H624, and then this right here is where you want your file to be saved. So you will go in here somewhere, say if you want it to be saved on the desktop, go here, type in video test, and then I'm gonna save it to the desktop right there, and you just press save. Now, if I export it, it's gonna go right to my desktop. Also, you want to check out here. You want to check down here, make sure things right, and then make sure you use maximum render quality. So you're gonna check that, and that'll be it. And then you just press export. Then your TikTok video should be on your desktop. So here it is right here. I'll give it a play for you guys. Perfect. All right. If you guys like this video, make sure you leave a like. Thank you very much.